Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send money to another PayPal account. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, look for the Send and Request tab, usually found at the top of your screen. From there, select the option to send money. This is the initial step to ensure your funds reach the intended recipient smoothly and efficiently. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. Carefully enter their email address or mobile number to ensure the money goes to the right person. Then, input the precise amount you wish to send. You'll also select the currency for your transaction, whether it's US dollars, euros, or another option. Double-checking these details is crucial for a successful and accurate transfer. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details. Verify the recipient's information, the amount, and the currency. Then, select your preferred payment method. Typically, a linked bank account is a common choice. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the payment. This final step ensures your money is sent safely and accurately to the other PayPal account. It's important to understand the fees involved. Sending money to friends and family from your bank account or PayPal balance is generally free. However, if you use a credit or debit card, a small fee, usually around 2.9% plus a fixed amount, may apply. Always double-check the recipient's details before sending to prevent any complications. This ensures a smooth and cost-effective transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.